Good morning students. Welcome to the VVPS online class. Students, yesterday I taught you chapter 3rd, name is keyboard and mouse. Okay. So yesterday I taught you the some topics, that is some special keys. Okay. So now today I'll going to start your next topic, that is toggle keys and navigation keys. Okay, so students, watch this video very carefully, and if you have any doubt about today's topic, so ask me in your class book. So let us start our today's work. Our today's topic is toggle keys and navigation keys. Okay, I hope you all are done your yesterday homework. So if you all are done your homework, so send me class book. Okay, so let us start our today's work. So students, yesterday I taught you some special keys. These are enter key, space bar, shift key and control key, backspace and delete key. Okay, I hope you all are well understood. So now today I will explain you what is toggle key and what is navigation key. Okay, so student, what is toggle key? Toggle key is used to turn a function on and off. Okay, toggle key is used to turn a function को टर्न करने के लिए. अगर वो ऑन है तो उसको ऑफ कर देंगे, अगर ऑफ है तो उसको ऑन कर देंगे. Pressing a toggle key once actives the function and pressing it again deactives the function. The most common toggle key on a keyboard are first caps lock key and second is num lock key. Okay, first is caps lock key and second is num lock key. So what is caps lock key? Caps lock key, this key is used to type a letters in capital. To use the caps lock key, press it once, its indicator light turns on. When means that that the caps lock key is ready to use. Got it? So second is num lock key. Num lock key means numeric lock. Okay, अगर आपको numbers को lock करना है तो you can use this key, num lock. To enter numbering using the numeric keypad, press the num lock key. Okay, so there are two toggle keys. कौन सी keys होती है ये? Toggle keys. First caps lock key and second is num lock key. So now we will see it, these key in our computer, in our keyboard. Okay, so caps lock key. So students, see, this is your caps lock key. Okay, क्या बताया था मैंने caps lock key का use? This key is used to type the letters in capital. Okay, अगर आपका capital में है, small में है कुछ, तो ये key उसको type करता है capital में. If you this key is, अगर आपने इसको on किया, turn on, caps lock को on किया, a light is showing now. So now you all words type in capital letters. Okay, if you turn off, so your all words in keyboards type in small letters. Okay, so next key is next toggle key is, yes, num lock key. So students, num lock key is used to, क्या बताया था मैंने? num lock key is used to lock numeric. आपको numeric कीबोर्ड लॉक करना है तो आप उसके लिए num lock प्रेस करेंगे. ओके, दिस इज़ योर लैपटॉप. सो हेयर मुझे इसमें num lock की नहीं दिख रही है. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड इज your keys, navigation keys. Navigation keys These key control the cursor movement, which is why these are also called cursor movement key. Okay, ये की कर्सर को कंट्रोल करती है, दैट्स वाई इसको नेविगेशन कीज भी बोलते हैं और कर्सर मूवमेंट कीज भी बोलते हैं, बिकॉज इट कंट्रोल्स द कर्सर. सो these keys are in navigation keys. First arrow key, second home key, third end key, fourth page up key, fifth page down key. Okay, so students, first arrow key. What is arrow key? These key are used to move the cursor up, down, left or right on the screen. Got it? These key are used to move the cursor up, cursor down, cursor left, cursor right on the screen. Okay, so here I will show you these arrow keys: up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key and right arrow key. Got it? अगर आपको अपना कर्सर अप ले जाना है, so you can use up arrow key. If आपको कर्सर अपना डाउन ले जाना है, सो यू कैन यूज़ डाउन एरो की, एंड लेफ्ट, सो लेफ्ट एरो की यूज़, एंड राइट, सो राइट एरो की. गॉट इट? नाउ सेकेंड इज होम की. व्हाट इज होम की? इट मूव्स द कर्सर टू द बिगनिंग ऑफ ए लाइन. प्रेसिंग कंट्रोल प्लस होम मूव्स द कर्सर टू द बिगनिंग ऑफ अ पेज. ओके, अगर आपको कर्सर को आपने काफ़ी लेटर्स, काफ़ी वर्ड्स टाइप किया है कहीं नोट पैड में, MS वर्ड में, और आपको वापस स्टार्टिंग पे अपना कर्सर ले जाना है, तो क्या करेंगे आप? होम की को प्रेस करेंगे, कंट्रोल प्लस होम. सो आई विल शो यू इन कीबोर्ड. दिस इज़ योर होम की. इफ़ यू प्रेस होम की तो आपका कर्सर स्टार्टिंग की लाइन में आ जाएगा. गॉट इट? ओके, नाउ next key is end key. End key, it moves the cursor to the end of the line. Okay, home key use the beginning of a line and end key use the end of the line. So pressing control plus end moves the cursor to the end of a page. This is your end key. When you press this key, so it moves the cursor to the end of the line. Got it? So students, now page up key and page down key. What is page up key? It moves the cursor in upward direction. Okay, it moves the cursor in upward direction from one page to the previous page. And page down key, it moves the cursor in downward direction from one page to the next page. So I will show you in keyboard. This is your page up key and page down key. आपको ऊपर जाना है, so you can use page up key. नीचे जाना है तो you can use page down key. Okay, so students, these are today I will tell you these navigation keys: arrow key, home key, end key, page up key and page down key. So this is your arrow key, this is your page up key, page down key, home key, end key. Okay, so next I will tell you some others key like functions key, symbols key, punctuation key and space key. Okay, so good day to all of you students. Listen and watch very carefully this today's topic.